Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how if our dashboard is not matching with the cash and bank, so how we can rebuild your cash. So we have given here option from the master setup, summary rebuild. So you need to go and just click on the rebuild summary. So this option you can see the created date, estimated completion time and status. After that, you need to go to the business summary and balance sheet. From the balance sheet, you need to you need to refresh the balance sheet with future date. For example, here you can enter the 2012 and here 2030. So future date you need to mention and just click refresh. Once you refresh this, just go back to the balance and refresh with today's date. This After this step you need to sign out and just re-log in. So you can log in, you can go to the business summary dashboard and you can check your cash in hand and bank balance. So you will get your correct cash in hand and bank balance after doing these steps. So first you need to go to the master setup and rebuild summary. From here summary rebuild, and then you need to go to the business summary balance sheet and you need to refresh this balance sheet with future date. So you can match your dashboard doing these steps. Hope you understood these steps. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.